Hello, it's a pleasure to welcome you here today. I have some more great news for you, especially for our restaurant and catering customers. You've already learned about the iVario Pro, our multifunctional cooking system. Well, today, I want to show you the smallest member of the family is still a giant in terms of versatility. Presenting the iVario 2XS, a model specially designed for restaurants serving 30 to 100 meals. It is as precise and as powerful as its larger siblings. Our digital assistants make your mise en place much easier and support your a la carte operations. With its two pans, it doesn't just replace pans, pots, stoves, deep fryers, and sous vide cookers. It also brings an immense amount of flexibility, speed, and efficiency to the kitchen. It preheats quickly thanks to the innovative iVario Boost heating system. It has truly amazing power. It responds to your settings instantly and maintains the desired temperature to the exact degree. And whether you're boiling, pan frying, or deep frying, everything is possible. And you can even work up to 4 times faster, using up to 40% less electricity than you would with conventional cooking equipment. In other words, the iVario 2XS performs just as exceptionally well as the larger iVario cooking systems. The intelligent cooking assistant iCooking Suite detects the size and quantity of food and then adjusts all of your settings automatically. In hectic or stressful situations, it offers you exactly the support you need. It handles the checking and monitoring work and notifies you when there's something for you to do. For example, turn the fish or the meat. And you still have the same access to AutoLift, which automatically lowers products into the pan for boiling or frying and lifts them out again so your food turns out perfectly every time. And naturally, the iVario 2XS also features an automatic water inlet, accurate to the liter. There's also an integrated water outlet, a hand shower, and an automatic tilting function for the pan. And because it's so compact, it can fit into the smallest kitchens. You can place it practically anywhere. And because we want you to start cooking right after installation, it comes with a comprehensive accessory package. Of course, I've saved the best part for last. The iVario 2XS is also extremely appealing in terms of price. Check it out for yourself on our website, where you'll find a lot more detailed information about the iVario 2XS and all the other Rational products. And of course, we'd really love to hear from you anytime. So long.